Hey there, today I'll be showing you how to use Reroll Monopoly Go. And here is how. I am currently on this website scopelyhelpshift.com, where I found a guide on how to obtain rolls. In the game Monopoly Go, there are multiple methods to obtain additional rolls. Quick wins is the first method. You can check the dice rolls by completing the missions, which are located next to the landmark symbol on the bottom left of the main screen. Daily treats. Upon beginning the first session of the day, you will receive a reward and advance on the bar to earn more rewards. Playing the community chest minigame will earn you money each time you assist a buddy in opening a chest. You will also receive 10 dice as a reward. If you have extra stickers, you can exchange them for rewards access in addition to trading them with other players. You may either claim the dice straight away in the friend section or keep them for later. Each time you finish an album set, you can see how many dice rolls you can obtain by tapping the save box in the bottom right corner of the album. After finishing the entire album, you will receive an even larger reward. You will start with a certain number of dice. As a reward for inviting a friend to play Monopoly Go, you will receive dice rolls each time. Remember, this requires your friend to install the game and create an account for the first time in order for it to function. Anytime you land on a shield containing tile, while all your shields are up, you will receive a rollback. This is impacted by multipliers, auto-roll regeneration, and the free gift. Lastly, you can browse the store to discover the bundle or offer that best suits your requirements. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.